Welcome back to our channel. This is Techie Rick. Today we are going to unboxing the OPPO Reno 9 Pro Plus OPPO flagship phone. Okay, don't waste your time. First open the box, then look the phone specifications. Inside the box, front side one more mini box here. Later look mini box. Then more inside mobile phone here. First of all, this design look like Galaxy S23 concept. Yeah, this camera cutout look like same, but I like this design. Okay, more inside 18 watts fast charging here. Yeah, OPPO give you adapter. Small drawback, Type-C to Type-C is much better, but OPPO give you Type-C to Type-A cable. Inside the mini box, TPU case and some manuals here. Overall, this is the box contents. Coming up, OPPO Reno 9 Pro Plus gaming camera and dip review soon. Do you like this review? Please like this video and subscribe my channel. And thanks for the watching. Peace out.